हेलो एवरीबॉडी। आज 12th मैथ्स में वेक्टर अलजेब्रा में रिजोल्यूशन ऑफ वेक्टर पढ़ेंगे। ओके, वेक्टर रिजोल्यूशन। तो यहाँ पर लेट इन P be a point in x o y plane and this coordinate of this point P के जो coordinates हैं that is x, y. Okay, this OP vector is represented by R vector. And OM on this x-axis, this distance OM is x, this distance EM is y. I cap and j cap are unit vector along x-axis and y-axis. Okay, we represent this vector OP. That is, we will find the value of this R vector. So first of all, we know कि OM equals to x vector, PM equals to y vector. So OM vector will be x I cap vector. Okay, x is coordinate of this point P, x coordinate of this point P, that is distance OM. So OM vector will be x into I cap. What is I cap? It is the unit vector along x axis. Similarly, PM vector will be equals to yj cap. Yj cap is unit vector along direction or along y-axis. Okay, so we will apply triangle law of vector addition in this triangle OPM. This OP vector will be equals to OM plus MP vector. We know that OM equals to xi and this MP equals to yj, and this OP vector is represented by R vector. So R vector is equals to xi plus yj. If we know the coordinate of a point in two-dimensional geometry, we can represent that in vector. So R vector will be equals to xi plus yj. Okay, if we want to find the magnitude of this R vector, it will be equals to root x square plus y square. Similarly, if you want to find the unit vector in the direction of this R vector, so R cap vector is equals to R vector divided by its mod. So if we divide a vector by its mod, we will get the unit vector along this vector. Okay, along the direction of this vector. Similarly, we can resolve a vector in 3 dimensions. Suppose the coordinate of this point is x, y, z. So we can represent this vector in 3D. R vector equals to xi plus yj plus zk, or mod of R vector equals to root x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, you can find the magnitude of this vector. If you want to find a unit vector, that is R cap, you should divide the vector with this mod, that is xi plus yj plus zk upon x square plus y square plus z square. Now we will solve some problems based on this resolution of vectors from exercise 12C. Okay. So from exercise 12C. So question is given, question number 2. The coordinates of P and Q are as follows. So we know the coordinate of P and Q, that is given as -6, 3 and -2, -1. And we have to find PQ vector. Okay, we have to find PQ vector and mod of this PQ vector. Is given the P coordinate of point P is -6 and 3, and coordinate of Q is -2, -5. We have to find PQ vector and mod of this PQ vector. Okay, first we will express this P vector in vector form. Okay, coordinate of P in vector form, that is value of this OP vector will be equals to -6i plus 3j. Similarly, this OQ vector can be written as minus 2I minus 5. Okay. We have to find PQ vector. So PQ vector will be equals to position vector of Q minus position vector of P. That is OQ vector minus OP vector. So OQ is minus 2I minus 5J and OP vector value is minus 6I plus 3J. So we get minus 2I minus 5J minus and minus plus 6I plus minus minus 3J. So 6I minus 2I, it is 4I plus 4I, and minus 5I minus 3J. Okay, minus 5, that will be equals to minus 8. This is the value of PQ vector. Now if you want to find the value of mod or magnitude of this PQ vector, it will be equals to root x square plus y square. So the value of x is 4 square plus minus 8 square. So 416 plus 64 will be equals to 8. Okay. This is the value of PQ vector, that is equals to root 80. So the next problem is we have to find resultant vector of two vectors. Okay. So it is given K R1 vector equals to y 4j minus 5k and R2 vector equals to I plus 3j to 2j plus 3k. So R1 and R2 are two vectors. Okay, we have to find a unit vector parallel to these two vectors. Okay, so first of all we will find the resultant. So resultant of these two vectors will be R equals to R1 plus R2. So R1 is 2I plus 4j minus 5k plus I plus 2j plus 3k. Okay. So it will become 3I plus 6j minus 2k. Okay. This is the value of R vector. We will find the mod of R. So it will be x square plus y square plus z square equals to 3 square plus 6 square plus minus 2 square. So it will become 9 plus 36 plus 4. Okay. So it will become 49. So we will get the value 7. So unit vector, okay, unit vector r cap equals to r upon mod of r vector. Okay, mod of r vector. So the value becomes, what is the value of r? 3i 6j. So 3i plus 6j minus 2k, 6j minus 2k upon 7. Okay. This is the r cap vector. This is the vector which is parallel to r1 and r2. So we have to find a resultant vector which is parallel to this unit vector which is parallel to this r1 and r2 vector. So the next question. Okay. Next question is that we have to prove that these 3 points A vector is given by minus 2i plus 5j plus 5k, and B vector, that is point B, is given by I plus 2j plus 3k, and the third point C, position vector of C is 7i minus k. Okay, so position vector of A is minus 2i plus 5j plus 5k. Position vector of B is I plus 2j plus 3k, and position vector of C is 7i minus k. We have to prove these two vectors as collinear. Okay, which means we have to prove that all these the 3 points lie in a straight line. Okay, so first of all, OA vector. Okay, OA vector equals to